Jatend piny William Ruto oyiero Vimal Shah kaka chancellor manyien mar mbalariany ma Masai Mara. Vimal ma en chancellor mar ariyo nyaka ne chak mbalariany no okaw lemono gi bolruok kosingo matiyo matek e twech achiel kod jokanyo mamoko mar kelo dongruok n'oganda. Dr. David Watene manoloso e lo migawo mar somo onyiso geno ni chenro manyien mar siro somb jopuonjre e yor omenda biro chwiny e thuolo mar higni 3 mabiro kosingo ni sirikal biro konye kedo gi nok mar omenda e mbalariany ma pachoka. Motelo ne mano, Vimal ne en chancellor mar mbalariany ma Jaramogi Oginga Odinga, University of Science and Technology mantiere Bondo e county ma Siaya.
Labor intensive students, alumni, council.
It is with immense pleasure and deep humility that I stand before all of you today as a newly installed second Chancellor of Masai Mara University. And I am profoundly grateful for the trust and the confidence vested in me to lead this distinguished institution as a Chancellor. I actually pledge to serve with unwavering dedication, integrity, and a steadfast commitment to our shared mission of academic excellence and societal impact.
Your appointment is a testament to your outstanding achievements, unwavering commitment to excellence, and dedication to the advancement of education and research. We are indeed privileged to have you to lead us as our Chancellor, and have every confidence that under your guidance, Masai Mara University will continue to thrive and to excel in everything that we do.
We welcome you as Masai Mara to implement the 5 M's and more so to be able to have 3 main issues as you study culture: the culture of conservation,